So hi everyone, welcome to Sui Shadow. Sui Shadow is my project for the Sui Overflow 2025 hackathon as a university student for the cryptography track, and Sui Shadow is my project based on the concept of confidential NFTs. So moving on, let me give you a quick demo. So here is the core features of what I'm doing on my platform. The exclusivity versus downloading. Earlier people used to simply download the image and mint the NFT as their own, which removed the concept of exclusivity, that the people did not know which NFT is the main one or who was the artist of the NFT, and also the freemium model and the exclusive NFTs. Now moving on to how it works. This is a visual representation of how it works, how the original image gets obfuscated and encrypted, and then how it is stored in Walrus as encrypted chunks. These are the use cases, and this is the technologies we have used. So obviously ZK login for the auth authentication to enable new users to quickly get access to the platform and not go into the wallet, making a wallet, etc. Seal for encryption part, and Walrus for the decentralized storage part. So let me show you the Explore Marketplace. So here you get the option to sign in with Google or with Sui Wallet. I currently don't have it in my browser, so it is not showing up here. So you can see that I get logged in. This was my wallet address. So you can see these are the confidential NFTs. These are fetched from the marketplace contract where the blob IDs are stored of all these obfuscated images. And you can see that I have tried to uploading a lot of them. These are some standard images, and these are the test ones that I have uploaded. And this is by a different user. So now moving on, I can go to the mint NFT section where I will be able to mint my own NFT. So let us keep this the name as video trial 4. Now this is my 4 trial, video trial 4, and let us keep the price as 1.5 Sui. And here I can upload the image that I want obfuscated. So I downloaded the image of Mona Lisa. So we will try to obfuscate it. So let me also open the console tab. Here some data will be shown to you guys. Let us remove all these errors. So when I click on the obfuscate buttons, you can see that I get the total dimensions of the image, the payload that has been set up, including the blocks, the base 64 data, and then coordinates of the image. And now this is the hashes of the coordinates, which is used to create the Merkle root for the Merkle root verification by the buyer, that the buyer can verify that this is the true masterpiece and not a fake one. So, and this is the obfuscated image. As you can see, 4 blocks of 1/10 of the image's width and height have been taken out, and they have been encrypted using the Sui seal. So like I will click on the final publish button, which says that the NFT has been minted, and you can see here this is the encrypted bytes using Sui seal. This is the final payload with the metadata where the base 64 encoding of all these blocks and the obfuscated images is being stored, and it is very large, to be honest, 19.6 MB. This image has a lot of pixels, that's why, and it will take some time to upload the blob ID. In between I can show you the Sui scan. This is my account Sui scan, and you can here see on the portfolio that these are the NFTs, the obfuscated NFTs that I have tried minting here. I can see, let me see here, it is taking more time. I shall fast forward it a bit here, the video. Okay, let me explain the other features then. Did I take it too long? Is Walrus down? Maybe Walrus is down. Yes. So we get the blob ID here. This is the blob ID, and after we get the blob ID, a transaction is executed. This is a transaction that mints the NFT and also adds this obfuscated image to the marketplace contract for the blob. There are 3 main contracts: the NFT contract, the marketplace contract, and the allow list contract. You can see all these 3 contracts here in the docs. Welcome to Sui Shadow. These are the technical docs here, contracts, and you can see them here. Now moving on, where was this was the tab. So yes, so you can see that the transaction has happened, and if I go in here, and yes, so 20 assets have been minted, and there should be a video trial 4 here. And yes, this is the video trial 4, and you can see this is with the Mona Lisa picture here, and the image is uploaded to on render backend that I have deployed, because the base 64 encoding was giving a issue that the JSON RPC can only take up to 16384 values. So the base 64 encoding, as you can see, was of 19.6 MB, which is too large. Now if I go to the marketplace button, you will see that these errors are due to that I had uploaded some random strings instead of blobs for testing. So as you can see that if I go to the main page, and you will see that the Walrus this is taking some time to render. I think so it is a Walrus issue. Yes, these are all the array buffer. This is all the array buffer that has been fetched from the marketplace contract, and this is the whole marketplace that has been shown here. So you can see that this was minted by me, 0x78005693, and it will be shown. So now if I go and show here to you, this is not this one. If I go here and show, yes, so if I go here and I can sign in with my new address here, and this one. So you can see that if I log in here, yes, so there here also the Mona Lisa picture will be shown, the NFT that we had minted. And now for this user, this is a different user than the other one. Let's try to buy the image. So okay, we try to buy the image here, and for the buy image, let me put once more. So yes, for the buy image, you can see that here I open the console also, it is interactive here. So you can see that I had not added this person to my allow list. That's why it is giving the error that the user does not have the accepted keys. Now if I take the address of this user, for example I take it from here and I go to my mint NFT tab and just here add this person to my allow list. So this is currently a MVP, but in the actual, the user shall receive a notification, the original minter of the NFT, that you have to add this person to the allow list. So adding this person to the allow list, so this person is now added to the allow list. The transaction has been done, as we can see in the activity tab. Not from this NFT, back, and here we can go to the activity tag, and you can see just 12 seconds ago we called the add function, and now this person is added, so he should be able to now buy the NFT. So here I go and I click on the buy button. Okay, this is a JS error by the way. So yes, now you can see that the decrypted image has been obtained, and the image, we get the original image back. So what happens is that the that this user is now added to the allow list. From the allow list, the seal approve function is called from the allow list, which checks that if this person is in the allow list or not. Then this person receives the encrypted bytes, and then the decryption happens. And we had already seen that the error was already showing there before, that this person did not have the right keys. So this is due to the Sui's seal, which is very amazing for encryption for us users. So here you can see that the image is reconstructed again, and I can download the image from here, or I can do any other stuff. So now I will be showing you some other stuff. This is the main repo that here I have explained all how the app works, etc. Please give it a check. This is the pitch deck, and I'm not going to explain the pitch deck now. This is, I have uploaded it. You can see how it looks like, and this is the main key. This is the docs. If somebody wants to see how the what all is happening, why I have used specifically Sui blockchain, why I have made it on the Sui blockchain, the technologies, how I have used the Sui blockchain, how the encrypted bytes, etc. happens, and all other stuff, please give it a look once. And also I have mentioned the future of the project, what I think the project should become in the future, and how what were the challenges that I faced while making the project. So thanks a lot guys, thanks for having the patience to go through all this and understanding. Hope you liked it. And by the way, the site has been deployed. You can see that I was showing everything on the deployed site, and you please give it a check. Thanks a lot.